Lisa here, and let's talk about virtual conferences. It seems that we've hit the virtual conference season. In fact, I had two virtual conferences going on at the same time on the same day. And here's what I know about virtual conferences. Okay, look, the deal is it's not the same as being there in person. Of course, it's not. Yet, there is a ton of value that is being provided for you if you can do one thing, and that is create a distraction free environment. When you're in person, it tends to be a little easier to engage with the breakout speakers and the people around you. And you may be checking your email, but you're not spending a whole session checking your email. And if you've listened to some of my previous videos, you aren't checking your email at all. But anyway, virtually, it is so much easier to come in and out of sessions, to open up a second window and completely clear your inbox, like so many things. Yet the content is just as good and valuable virtually as it is in person, as long as you can create the environment where you can engage. So here's what I did. Feel free to use this tip. I set my out of office responder up for when I was out of at the conference and pretended like I actually was there in person. And I put in my out of office. I'm currently attending XYZ conference. And to fully immerse myself in the experience, I will be answering emails on this date. And then that took the pressure off me to make sure I didn't have anything else I needed to do, but fully and totally engage in the conference. I invite you to do the same. If you're wondering how to get rid of some of the other distractions that may pop up, I invite you to post your comments below, and I'm happy to answer your questions.